Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair tutorial. After I did my last one where I had it kind of, the back was half flat and half spiked, I had a request to style my hair in my more spiky style with that same length of hair. So it has been 2 weeks since my last cut and I am here with you today to do a spike style. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a twist though this time. My very first video here on YouTube was me styling my hair in my bathroom here. My husband actually was my videographer and I timed it to see how long it took me to style my hair because many people say, oh, that style takes way too long. I'm sure you spend 20-30 minutes on your hair. And I was set out to prove that it took less than 10 minutes to style my hair. So I thought it would be fun to time it again and see if I have improved my speed at all in styling my hair. Who knows, we'll find out. But I have my little timer here on my iPod Touch and we're gonna go ahead and get started styling my hair. Now, because I'm timing it, I'm just gonna style it. I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking. I do have a bunch of hair tutorials on me styling my hair similarly, and I will list all of those in the description box below, as well as my standard 4 hair products that I use on my hair every day. Okay, if you're ready, I think I'm ready. Let's get started styling my hair. And I'm just going to comb through as normal. Going to apply some of my Catwalk Root Boost through the back. And I've been kind of putting a little bit here too, just for a little extra body. Go in with some argan oil. My hair has been a little more dry lately, I think with the change of seasons. And now we are ready to blow dry. My flat iron through my hair. A little further shaping here. Flatten out these sides. Ooh. kind of hot. Now it's time for my Enjoy Dry Wax. Put this through the back of my hair and give my hair a little extra body here in the front. And then I have my handy dandy little mirror here, which I'm going to use to check out the back here. And now I'm gonna hit it with my favorite hairspray, the Aussie Instant Freeze Hairspray. Pretty happy with that. Okay, we are done. Okay, can you read that? 6 minutes, 15 seconds. So I'm going to do a fun little thing here. If you have seen my first tutorial, tell me, is 6 minutes and 15 seconds faster or slower than my original video? All right, so I put some earrings in, but I just thought I would finish off by showing you our finished hair here. And I hope that was fun for you. It was fun for me. It was a good challenge because I don't time my hair styling every morning, but I usually only leave myself a tiny little bit of time. So it's good to know that I can still get it done quickly if I need to. So thank you for requesting I do this video. If any of you have any requests, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And as I always say in all my videos, but truly a heartfelt thank you for watching my videos, for subscribing, for liking them, for supporting me here on YouTube. It really has been wonderful watching my channel grow and getting to know so many of you just through the avenue of social media. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.